Yes, sir. It's your boy Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before we do that, watch out for spam or WhatsApp in the comments down below. Feel free to join VIP to be alerted whenever we get in and out of plays. Hit me up for a 15-minute, 30-minute phone call full of value, full of gems. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, see exactly what's going on, get you guys in and out of here. So we got 3 stocks with short squeeze potential coming up for the end of this year, going into next year. Nobody knows exactly when the market is going to reward you. So that's why it's best to have rules and discipline in place. Aiming small, missing small. If only got $100, $200 on the option call, I'm more likely to let that play its whole self out. I mean, I see a huge gap fill. It got big potential. The $200 could turn into, it could be a 200, 300% return. 200 could turn into 600, 3 extra money, or sometimes even more, depending on if it's an earnings play. And I'm willing to let that whole play nearly play out, or even lose 50% of it. That's $100 gone. Losing 100 to make 300, 400. So with that being said, you gotta know, have your rules in place and know what's going on. Because if I got 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 on the play, I'm only putting up big bags or a big investment or a big sum of money on an investment if a lot of intricacies line up, meaning the volumes in check, first green day, earnings running, buy the rumor, sell the news. A lot of things is happening at once to where it's giving me a lot of checkpoints, check boxes to mark off to invest in this stock. So I will put in a bag for literally a short period of time. I'm not going to hold it or play any games with it like I would do like a small sum of money. So if you're putting up $1,000, $2,000 trying to be greedy, you need to be very precise and very meticulous and get in and get out swiftly. Like, you bought it at the bottom or nearly the bottom, right at support, and you waiting for it to rip in seconds or minutes. As soon as it do it, you go ahead and sell out for your nice $600,000 in minutes and go ahead and put that money back up to the side, right? That's the only time, if that makes sense. If you're not more advanced, if you don't really understand that, you don't do that. Just focus on doing the smaller things. So anyways, now let's go into the 3 stocks. I want to put that out there, let you guys know, information gain as we go along the way. But anyways, the next 3 stocks, or the 3 stocks, will be Tilray. I do believe it has short squeeze potential, the whole marijuana sector, especially if we can get some great catalysts, some more news out there about legalization throughout the whole U.S. type jump. Yeah, it's definitely going to soar. But anyways, the next stop will be ChargePoint. It's been on a steady decline, guys, making newer all-time lows and steady declining. So I do believe it'll have a reversal point at some point. Nobody knows how low it can go, but buying low in increments. If I got 300 I want to put in, I buy at the price of it now, $3.40. I wait for it to drop to $3. I buy another 100. If it drop to $2, I buy another 100. And that's how I would do that. Dollar cost average in. Now I got an average price, and I ain't really worried about all the fluctuation on the downside because I want you to fall so I can get more of you. And then, put your risk tolerance at, if you got an average of 250, 225, well, say I'm going to cut losses at $1.90, $2. I ain't going to risk losing all of it. But the odds for success or gaining money, you only gonna lose a small amount, but the upside potential, it could shoot back up 20%, 30% in a single day to how much it compared to how much it's falling down. So that would be ChargePoint, Tilray, and the last one will be Lucid, guys. Lucid Motors definitely has huge potential as the big dog Tesla continue to excel and do good in the space. It's going to pull up the smaller dogs as well and bring up the whole space. But even by itself, Lucid is definitely a great company, in my opinion, for a starter up and just freshly getting into the game. It has a lot of potential, guys. So you already know what to do. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. Join VIP. I love y'all. We out. God bless you.